Your insurance won't cover this unless you fix it. Avoid denied claims. Imagine losing your home in a fire, only to have your insurance claim denied. Why? Because of one tiny clause you didn't even know existed. This video will help you avoid that nightmare. Millions of people think they're covered until disaster strikes. Whether it's your car, your home, or even your health, most policies have exclusions, limits, or fine print. This can leave you with nothing when you need help the most. It's a harsh reality, but ignoring it won't make it go away. The consequences of misunderstanding your insurance can be devastating. You could face crippling debt, immense stress, and the feeling of being completely alone. In this video, I'll show you the number one reason most insurance claims get denied. I'll teach you how to find out if your policy has this problem. More importantly, I'll show you what you can do today to fix it before it's too late. We're going to pull back the curtain on how insurance really works. We'll expose the hidden traps and demystify the confusing jargon. By the end of this video, you'll be empowered to navigate insurance with confidence. Insurance policies are essentially contracts. They outline the agreement between you and the insurance company. Understanding the key components is crucial to avoiding claim denials. Coverage refers to what the policy does cover. This can include comprehensive coverage, collision coverage, and liability coverage. Each type protects you against different risks. Exclusions are what the policy doesn't cover. These can include acts of war, natural disasters like floods, often requiring separate policies, and pre-existing conditions in health insurance. Knowing these is vital. Your responsibilities are what you need to do to maintain coverage. This includes paying premiums on time, reporting incidents promptly, and performing necessary maintenance on your property. Failure to do so can void your policy. The single most important thing you need to fix is understanding your policy's specific language. Don't just skim it. Truly understand what each clause means. This is the key to avoiding unpleasant surprises. Read your policy thoroughly, highlight important sections, and take notes. Don't be afraid to mark it up and make it your own. The more familiar you are with the details, the better prepared you'll be. If you're unsure about something, ask questions. Don't hesitate to call your insurance agent and seek clarification. They are there to help you understand your coverage. Let me share a story about a client named Sarah. She had a fire in her kitchen caused by a faulty stove. She thought she was covered, but her claim was denied. Her policy contained a clause that excluded damage caused by improperly maintained appliances. It turned out Sarah hadn't had her stove serviced in years. Because of this, the insurance company refused to pay for the damages. Sarah was left with a huge bill and a valuable lesson. Know your policy inside and out. So, how can you protect yourself from a similar situation? There are several steps you can take to ensure you're adequately covered and avoid claim denials. First, read your policy thoroughly. I know I've said it before, but it's worth repeating. Pay attention to the details, especially the exclusions and your responsibilities. Second, ask questions. Don't be afraid to contact your insurance agent or company and seek clarification on anything you don't understand. It's better to ask now than to be surprised later. Third, document everything. Keep records of your policy, all communication with your insurance company, and any repairs or maintenance you perform on your property. This can be invaluable in case of a claim. Finally, review your policy annually. Your needs may change over time, so it's important to make sure your coverage still meets your requirements. This is especially important after major life events like marriage, a new home, or a new child. Insurance doesn't have to be a mystery. By taking the time to understand your policy, you can protect yourself from financial hardship and ensure you're adequately covered. Remember to know your coverage, understand the exclusions, and fulfill your responsibilities. This simple framework will empower you to navigate the world of insurance with confidence. Watch our YouTube video on Decoding Your Insurance Policy. This video will guide you through the process of understanding your coverage and identifying potential gaps. Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to the channel for more informative content on insurance and personal finance. Share this video with your friends and family so they can protect themselves too. Stay informed, stay protected, and stay insured. Don't let a misunderstanding of your policy leave you vulnerable. Take control of your insurance today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.